Just a few hours from now, dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo will be flown back to the country to face not only various charges filed against her, but also the ongoing Senate hearing with the several lawmakers eagerly awaiting her answers to several burning questions. But before all that, and perhaps just hours apart from her arrival, she will be temporarily housed in Camp Crame in Quezon City. Patrick De Jesus has the full details.
Kaya nga, kinukuha na kami ng private plane dito para maano. Ako tingin ko para ngayon Chinese.
Dismissed Mayor Alice Guo was turned over this afternoon by Indonesian police to Filipino authorities in Jakarta, Indonesia, led by DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos. This formalized Guo's return to the Philippines, where she faces an investigation on her alleged connections to Pogo. Guo boarded the chartered flight at past 8 p.m. from Indonesia, accompanied by Filipino officials. They are expected to land later by midnight in the country. Last Tuesday, Guo was arrested in a hotel in Banten Province. According to the PNP, Guo is in good condition. And based on her conversation with their police attaché, she really wanted to surrender.
Nung siya ay maaresto, and okay naman daw si Alice Guo. In fact, according to the police attaché natin, sinasabi is gusto na rin talaga niya na sumuko at haharapin niya yung mga kasong nakasampa laban sa kanya. So, yung ibang mga detalye, yung ibang mga naging usapan, hindi na masyadong dinitalye because limited lang din yung time nung makausap niya si Alice Guo kasi gusto lang din niyang ma-check kung kumusta yung kondisyon ni Alice Guo.
The police attaché also observed there were no signs that Guo underwent surgery to hide her identity.
Nakaharap niya at nakausap niya personal, wala naman daw yung sinasabi na nagparitoke or what. Wala naman, medyo siguro she probably gained a little weight, kaya siguro medyo iba yung itsura, siguro sa angulo. But according to the police attaché, mukhang wala naman, maliban dun sa maigsi ang buhok niya.
Upon arrival in the Philippines, she will undergo a booking procedure and medical examination. Guo will then be placed in the PNP Custodial Center, where she will be temporarily detained before being turned over to the Senate. However, a court in Capas, Tarlac released an arrest warrant against the former mayor for violation of Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act filed by the DILG, which alleged she used her influence to give the raided Baofu compound an advantage in the approval of permits and licenses. Bail for this case has been set at 180,000 pesos. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.